Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy PEPE coin on Binance marketplace. As you can see, you can swap it between USDT. So once you are on Binance, you can go ahead to your assets and click on spot. And once you are on spot and here is your USDT, which you already have, then there's two options how you can go ahead and buy PEPE. If you don't have USDT, you can go ahead and buy it by clicking buy crypto and choosing USDT here and paying with your, for example, spot wallet or credit card or bank transfer. Or also you can go ahead and click deposit crypto, and deposit it from somewhere else, just like so, by selecting the correct network. But if you already have USDT, then you can go ahead and click on convert or trade. So if you will click on convert, you can go ahead and choose either a spot wallet or a funding wallet. Choose USDT, and from here choose PEPE, just like so. And as you can see, that's basically it. Now you're gonna write down how much PEPE you want to get, and then you can convert it. Also, once you click trade, you will be on this page where you can search PEPE. Click on PEPE USDT. You will see the price. Now you're gonna just scroll down, enter the amount which you want to get of PEPE, just like so. Or you can just click on these ones and click buy PEPE. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.